Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh says he is proud of recognition given to Manipuri Nrtya Sankirtan by the UNESCO. Works Minister Ratan Kumar says the people's communication will improve with the completion of road from Mayang Imphal to Bishnupur. 52nd Raising Day of Manipur Home Guards is celebrated. DGP Shahid Ahmad stresses role of Home Guards is in measure law and order issues. And Trau Kwa Kaithel is out of the CC meet after loss to Sagolbang United. Hello and welcome to Impact News. I'm watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandra Wangkemcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh stated that as Manipuri, he is proud of recognition given to Manipuri Nrtya Sankirtan by the UNESCO. Speaking at International Sankirtan Day Celebration 2015 at Chandrakirti Auditorium in Palace Compound today, Ibobi emphasized the need to make serious endeavors to preserve and promote the Manipuri culture before it is too late. He said the culture of various ethnic people living in Manipur must be preserved and promoted for the future generation. The Chief Minister said the University of Culture will also be established phase by phase in the next 1 or 2 years. The event was jointly organized by International Sankirtan Day Celebration Committee and Sri Sri Govindaji Nrtya Sankirtan Academy. The event will be celebrated every year. A procession was also taken out as part of the celebration. Several persons from Myanmar, Bangladesh were also honored with gifts at the function. It may be recalled that Manipuri Nrtya Sankirtan entered UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity in 2013.
Chauraba state singsta mangi tongan ba makhoi gisu chatnabi culture dum noi leiribani adubu prithvi gi chauraba leipak humudra mari mangana tauraga bhot thadhanaraga madudaida France ki Paris ta leiba UNESCO da maduna sakhange haidana khoi body UNESCO sina khoi Sankirtan se masak khangba haibasi khoi punumaki khoi Manipuri amani haibada dharamagi kari ama magi khetnaba nattana khoi punamak sauthuk chaningai ni.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today inaugurated a multi-crore Loktang modern fish market and Khoyol Kaithel in Moirang. Khoyol Kaithel at Moirang Lamkai, which cost more than 1 crore rupees, has been set up as the main business center for Bishnupur district. While a Loktang modern fish market, which will have cold storages, will serve as wholesale fish market, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister Govindas Konthojam, Fisheries Minister Mohammad Abdul Nasir, PDA Chairman T. Mangi Babu and YAS Parliamentary Secretary M. Prithviraj were among those who attended the inauguration. In his inaugural speech, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi assured that Moirang will be developed to a major tourist attraction of the state. He also assured the people of 24-hour power supply and adequate drinking water. Chief Minister appealed to the people to extend cooperation when the government takes up road broadening plans in Moirang.
Moirang se tourist station masi jaga se mai se pong kunmari mai phangangani Moirang da thakna na bai sing sarkar ki paisa ngai de khoi state ki limited resource de khoi paisa thadra ga dum semje bane aina appeal tawjaning base aseng ba ari ba patalen oiram basing do negotiation tawjaraga haijaraga magi yum kai leramba phajana value se calculation tawraga adum compensation pi ne ba tawjage karang se lambi se untang yamna nana araiba phan khradagi masi untang pa na nana masi mayai da median ga haptra Moirang Sendra road toriba sumaina semna na ba khotnabda khoi araiba paisa thada jage.
Works Minister Dr. K. Ratan Kumar has stated that construction of road from Mayang Imphal to Bishnupur is almost complete and people's communication and transport will improve with the completion. The minister said this while releasing the calendar for 2016 at his residence at Mayang Imphal. The calendar carries the pictures of various development programs taken up by the government in Mayang Imphal, especially Mayang Imphal Assembly constituency. Ratan Kumar said with the completion of the road from Mayang Imphal to Bishnupur, people can travel directly from Mayang Imphal to Tupul railway station. He also sought the cooperation of the people for development of Mayang Imphal.
Main part Kendra si karai na thamba yagadage. Masigi homei ba phibam asida akoi da benefit karmai na lahu ba yagani haibagi मधुकी पांडमदा अकोइना थबक खरा पाइखसे मैं इम्फाल बिशनपुर रोड मसे कोई थोंग साबा लोरे संगागा दोबदा गाय स्टेट अमदी नेशनल इंपोर्टेंस दा बिष्णुपुर टू तुपुल मैं आमदा खंबीगिरी मसे कोई 2017 दा अकोई रेलवे स्टेशन अमा मसी अकोई लाइबा सिलचर के लाइबा सी संगानबा तौरिबनी मसे अकोई मैं इम्फाल की डायरेक्ट अदुम चटपा यादोरिबनी.
Now, 52nd Raising Day of Manipur Home Guards was celebrated today at Lamphel Home Guards Headquarters Office Complex. Speaking on occasion, Director General of Police Shahid Ahmed said Police Department needs the contribution of Home Guards volunteers. DGP also added that the Home Guards is established in 1963 for the state and which has 2,000 volunteers are being active in major law and order issues, and Government of Manipur is considering to increase pay scale, impart better training and develop infrastructure as part of police modernization. Personnel of Manipur Home Guards took out a march punch and a souvenir was also released on the occasion. Special DGP Manipur P. Maulana Gord, CO Manipur Home Guards Y. Ashok Kumar and several police officers took part in the event.
The role of the Home Guard is getting expanded every day. Now you are using very sophisticated weapon also, as before. We are planning some special training regarding special policing and lot of other things could be implemented. We have been trying to expand your duties now. We expect that you will be taking keen interest.
Media sensitization program on Smart City Plan in Imphal City was held today at Manipur Press Club. The awareness program was jointly organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union, AMJU, Imphal Municipal Council IMC and Mahud, and participated by members of AMJU and journalists from different print and electronic media. Chief Executive Officer IMC and Mahud Director who took part at the event informed the participants that the model of smart city has to be chosen from either pan city in which infrastructure are upgraded in the existing city landscape and areas development which requires a total development of a new city.
Media मैम जिना स्मार्ट सिटी की मतारंग सिगी तोंगा तोंगा अखुद रिसोर्स पर्सन सिंग हाइबीरबा सिंग असि समलकदा मैम खंगनबा दा हये मैम दा पुथोक पि तारगदी मणिपुर की मी लाख पुरी पाल सिगी अखोगी मखोर जौदुरी हाइजरिबा अखोगी इम्फाल सिटी हेबसि सिटी मो इबगी मसत मगुल सिंग अमता यावदबने अदुना स्मार्ट सिटी मो इबदा करी करी संगदगे माइ बेसिक करिनो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर करिनो मैम करी लवगदगे अब तवगदगे हाइ बतांग दा खोना सिनजबने.
Now, Secretary of Human Rights Initiative HRI Wahengbuk Joy Kumar has maintained that if human rights are to be protected in Manipur, the government should allow the people to request for information under RTI in connection with the departments under the Home Department of Manipur by lifting the ban. Speaking to media person at HRI office, Thagapat Mapal Palace compound today, Joy Kumar described the observation made by the Deputy Chief Minister during RTI week on October 5 that people are misusing RTI Act as unfortunate. He also alleged that it is the government and the government officials who are misusing the act. Joy Kumar said no other states of India do not impose such ban. He mentioned that Supreme Court order issued in May this year that the people can seek information through RTI if there is allegation of corruption and human rights violation against the Home Department. The human rights activist further said Manipur Information Commission issued an order on November 16 to supply information to human rights initiatives in 45 days in connection with an RTI request seeking information from police department. He also appealed to the department concerned to supply the information.
I think Madu Lairagazu, Ekta Haribadi, human animals corruption, single legacy, Paupitoga the Banana Hibani, other Information Commission, the second up in Toraganda, Information Commission, Praman Pio Hire. Akuna Pramadamatic Sana Pire, Haujiti, Manipur Information Commissioner, Information Z, Pigo Hana Tarbanina, Home Department, Supreme Court Directive Singang, Salisa Habado, Madi Information do, Atu Madam the PB or RTI week the Manipur honorable deputy CM Home Puriba, Mr. Gakhangamna, Manipur the RTI XC, Prazana misuse to Bren High Budulabak Tivani, Karigamba Home Minister and Maril Lavadi, Mai Makada Ladiba, Department, Sing the Tamiba, RTI Makada exemption Tamibas in the Lotopio.
Kuki Students Organization KSO has called for 48-hour general strike in Hill District from midnight tonight, addressing the media person at Tribal Market Complex. All check on KSO General Headquarters. General Secretary Saiboy Haukip said the strike has been called against the assault of KSO Chandel District President Daumang Haukip, chiefs of Kotal Kunthak and S Lamphai villages by 24 Assam Rifles personnel at Kudeng Thavi yesterday.
Major Manish to the without any provocation, the Moina say, Chandel President Daumang Haukip T the Puraga, Lambi the Pura, Smile Cow, Uzi Daumang Haukip hospitalized in the Nasi Nundang, midnight take 48 hours, Hill District General Strike case on the Kuzari. Adugi Parzani, transporter, so cooperate to Biraga, Masisi, Aduga, social organization, human rights, Masi Mating Pambu,
A man was stabbed to death while other 3 were injured this afternoon. Samurai Latpam Shamkishore Sharma, 35 years, son of S. Mandol Sharma from Kakmayai Lekai, stabbed Mutum Amumacha, 33 years, son of late M. Madhu Macha from Kakmayai Maning Lekai to death and injured 3 persons at Kakyai under Nongpok Sekmai police station. In retaliation, angry locals torched the house of the accused, Shamkishore Sharma. Police have also arrested the accused. Pangal Students Organization PSO have expressed its resentment at the news report which appeared in a section of local print media today. The organization refuted the charges made by Lilong Political Unified Link, Lipul, against the PSO. PSO President M.A. Wakil Alsari told the media that they had received the information on December 2 that Lilong Haurebi Awang Lekai Tera Makhong Upper Primary School has been demanding admission fees from the students. He said they also asked the headmaster to talk with them after learning that the students who had not paid admission fees would not be allowed to sit in the examination, but he declined. PSO then asked the headmaster to return the admission fees to the students by December 10 and hold examination for the students who were not allowed to sit in the examinations.
Lipul asina ngasi PSO gi mathak sirak iba thamlak ibo akham sai kuna PSO na yaba sungoi angang singdagi admission lawi haibadu ta seng ba khawa kari gi nang te school asi kangkhatuna press note PSO gi mathak tholi bano adugi mahutpati aikoi masen manaduna amatuk oina asoi aran budu sunthukuna ngasi gi lekha taraba iramdam manipur sai amutandi hanagi manipur ohenji haibi wakhalango loina aikoi honajabani.
Students of Lilong Haurebi Awang Lekai Tera Makhong Upper Primary School and their families were also present at the news meet. Mother of a student said her child was not allowed to sit in examination after she paid an admission fee of Rs 1,000 out of Rs 1,500 for her 2 children.
Angang anigi pasamnga wale sara jat ki makhut ikoi pasa si thiru bane parkha taw dingai gi chainung da parkha phamal loi awat pasa pura ba matung da parkha phaman gani inangai gi je paper si government na pirakte khoi dei purakadami aina hairaga angang jin si compound de lephalaga hanjal hallaba matung da maka sanghalaga parkha thalai
ai gi sanopi se exam tha ba challe chat matamda paisa karigumba hayeng purakta mataraga de exam tha loi haina herak padagi chanupina paisa lai tana purakta bringa si purak pangam jabina hayeng si purak pangam moi aduna exam tha loi ge na chanupi se yum dala aduga sida PSO da wakalak.
A sit-in was staged today against the blast at the house of Laishram Lukhoi, Kagimpally Idol Club Secretary. The protest was held in front of Kagimpally Idol Club at Nganapithong, attended by members of the club and Sandrem B. Nupi Lub. Terming the incidents as unfortunate, the protesters appealed to the authorities concerned to take action against the culprit. Mention may be made that the blast took place at the house of Laishram Lukhoi in early morning at 2 on December 2.
Local si Hanaben Honajar Pagi Matang Asida, Tawasidi, Karimanu Tabella special, Sita Winu, Pam the Budai, Pam the Tangasibo, by God, Akoigi, particular organ Akoigi Femilina, or Madame de Aqui family, Palapala Sabanina, Aduna Tragasu Legaishina, Kanagumantana Mang Batorte, Hare Tokre, Miss Yodre, anyway, Adumoina Matung the Simumasisum Tauragadi, Legai, Apabatabak Torpada, disturbance, Samsung, Inausing, Adugi, Kogi, my man, Tori, I am no I appreciate those Madame the Lingian man, I say, and the Uberpangi.
Meanwhile, a powerful bomb exploded yesterday night near the showroom of MGT Tata Motors at Shanghai Pro. The blast occurred around 11:30 p.m., causing damage to the room. However, it did not cause damage to the vehicles parked inside the showroom. The guard of the showroom, Elangbam Ibomcha, said the incident has caused panic among the people and appealed to all concerned not to repeat such act in future.
Bomgi makolong khok taasna jumaina torokpadagi aina tho yengjeru matamda mapanda ne khalui adu oiramdre manungda oi lerme aina yengjeruda adu akoide tawbireibji karma sangsan tawbibeno kai paw phonam nai ai thoina khangjedi kai damuktano akoidi seida lejeibji thabak phangdaba akoi ahanjing oirba akoina thabak phangaga se thabak sujawani adu akoideju awabaju pibiba adisi mohongjidi akoi nungaijedi.
24 Assam Rifles Kuding Thabi checkpost seized 10 gold biscuits worth more than rupees 40 lakh from a person on Saturday. They also seized 800 tablets of Wallis Yours or WY from Nenkohat, 44 years, wife of Pungzang of Churchandpur district. Now, students and professionals from Manipur living in Chennai faced lots of hardships like power outages, lack of telecom services and inaccessible roads. Some even lost contact with their homes for 4 days. Some ran out of cash due to ATM breakdown and some fled to Bangalore or Mumbai using flights. Manipuri film artist Mahesh Taunawjam, who visited the city on a project, helped many Manipuris contacting their parents back home with the help of social media and mobile phone.
Currently, the battery, network, some problem we are facing. After all, the banking system, ATM sing problem otherwise now it's almost subsidized. ATM ATM machine problem The first Foundation Day of United Club IMC Ward number 4 Uripog was held at Nagamapal Lining Thoising Chaiba Laibung today. The club, which was formed by merging 7 clubs, has been working for the welfare and development work for the locals in the past 1 year. Shoro Kaibam Babuyai Masing from Manipur has been awarded Bharat Excellence Award 2015, Jewel of Northeast Gold Award 2015 and Indira Gandhi Excellence Award 2015 by Friendship Forum of India on November 29 at C.D. Deshmukh Memorial Auditorium, India International Center, New Delhi. Babuyai Masing is presently working in Agriculture Department. He was born in Uripok, Lamboi Khonang Kong and is presently staying at Awang Kuno Mamang Lekai. Now, 6th Chinjak Festival will be held from 13th to 20th of this month at Hapta Kangjebung Palace Compound. The 8-day festival will be organized by Innovative Youth Society. Deputy Managing Director of the society, Kangabam Mahesh, told the news persons that with Christmas approaching, the festival will be called Chinjak Festival Merry Christmas 2015. 35 to 40 stalls are expected to be opened at the festival.
Masih Manipur gi khoi gi paknang nganam adei singju bora kanghau khola nungla dagi horaga khoi sa gi mathel sing sansa oksa yan sana chingba makal kya gi item sing loina bak phangan gani original khoi Tamenglong dagi green tea amadi white tea na singba makal gi khoi gi yamna dungba quality leiba samna khoi makhang sida phangani andagi mau dagi lakpa mau gi taste amoina mau gi khoi gi hoji seasonal loina ningtham thagi phangiba mahi marong sing ansang napi sing barang kaina phangan gani.
Now, news from the world of sports. First, the CC meet. Tirim Road Athletic Union Trao Kuaketil is out of the 59 Search Churchan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial Football Tournament. They lost to Sagolba United 2-4 in a match played at Mapal Kangjebung this afternoon. For the winners, W. Daniel, TH Premchand, M. Tyson and L. Bikram scored 1 goal each in the 4th, 47th, 86th and 90 plus 4th minutes of the match. 2 goals for Tirim Road Athletic Union Kuaketil were scored by N. Olin and S. Chungnei Hen Kom. FC Jalandhar Hills will lock horns with Youth Organization Sporting Club Kurai Konsam Laikai in the 7th match tomorrow.
ꯇꯤꯝ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯆ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯤꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯠꯆꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯩꯅ ꯂꯧꯋꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯠꯆꯇꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯐꯥꯎ ꯆꯪꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯗꯝꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯥ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯋꯥꯡꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯧꯅꯦꯅ.
Now, five-time world champion MC Mary Kom settled for a bronze medal at the International Boxing Association's IBA Olympic Test event in Rio de Janeiro after going down in the semi-finals. The London Olympic bronze medalist lost on points to United States boxer. This was Mary Kom's first competitive appearance in over a year. She had been laid low by a shoulder injury after winning the gold medal at Asian Games in Incheon last year. Four other Indians, Manoj Kumar, Satish Kumar, Praveen Kumar and Shan Pakara bowed out of the ongoing competition after losing in the semi-finals, bringing an end to India's campaign. Now, Imphal West District Football Association have won the 27th Junior Boys Inter-District Football Tournament. They beat DSA Sadar Hills 3-0 in the final match. 5 teams competed in the tournament held under All Manipur Football Association at Artificial Turf Ground, Kumalam Park. Players selected from the tournament will take part in the Northeast Zone Coca-Cola Junior Football Tournament.
Trial si yaw naba Manipur gi mungset porapda achauba sau yarnaba yahna mangjong na all Manipur police so gi bakai digi mayam punmakta mangjong na khangjari.
Now in cricket, 13th Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament kicked off today at Langtabal Public Ground. Napsa Kha Imphal beat Model Club B Chingang Makha by 30 runs in the first match. Winning the toss, Napsa batted first and made 110 for 3 in 26 overs. In reply, Model Club B were all out with 81 runs in 25 overs. The tournament is organized by Manipur Veteran Cricket Association. Cyclone Thangweban will clash with KSE Lambulen tomorrow. The 42nd State Junior Boys and Girls Kabaddi Championship kicked off today at KSWC Ground, Kurai Thongam Lekai. YSC Naurim Chapro beat host KSWC Kurai Thongam Lekai 52-47 in the opening match. The 10 kickboxers who bagged 13 gold in the second World Martial Arts Games held in Mumbai were felicitated today at a function held by Kickboxing Association Manipur at Moirangkhom Leipung Kaithel. President of the Association, Deputy Speaker M.K. Prashor Shrimre, Working President L. Umakanta and General Secretary S. Umakanta presented gifts to the players.
Moina akhoi state ki mai si national da akhoi India masak utlibni international da sumaina moina country ke adigi lakpa player mayam si moina thengai na chare haraga gold medal phanak pasidi asi arrival thabak natte international si akhoi handakti gold traum thoi phang masidi masina ahan bo ramni.
Now, before we wind up, here is a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Chief Minister Okrami Bobby Singh inaugurates multi-core Loktak modern fish market and Koyol Kaithel in Moirang. Works Minister Ratan Kumar says people's communication will improve with the completion of road from Mayang Imphal to Bishnupur. 52nd Raising Day of Manipur Home Guards celebrated. DGP Shahid Ahmed stresses role of Home Guards in major law and order issues. And Trau Kwa Kaithel is out of the CC meet after loss to Sagolban United.